Hello, dear students, it's me Shakil Khan. Students, in today's video, you are going to learn about the modal verb can. Can is basically a modal verb. It means to be able to do something or having competency to do something. So let's have a look at the formula of can and how to make sentences by using the formula of can. एसर्ट्स आज की क्लास में आप सीखेंगे मॉडल वर्ब कैन के मुतालिक। कैन बेसिकली एक मॉडल वर्ब है। इसके माने हैं किसी भी काम करने के लायक होना या उसकी अहलियत रखना। आइए देखते हैं इसका फार्मूला क्या है, इसकी उर्दू में पहचान क्या है और इसके जुमले किस तरीके से बनाए जाते हैं। Essence, the formula of can is subject plus can plus verb first form plus object. Its identification in Urdu is सकता है, सकती है, सकते हैं, सकता हूँ. If there is सकता है, सकती है, सकते हैं, सकता हूँ at the end of the sentence in Urdu, we use can in English. Students, let's see how to make sentences by using the formula of can. Students, the first sentence is I can run fast. Can he? मैं तेज़ दौड़ सकता हूँ, क्या वो भी दौड़ सकता है? In this sentence, a person is showing his ability to do something, means he is showing ability to run fast and asking other that do you have an ability to run fast. And the second sentence is can you speak English? क्या आप अंग्रेज़ी बोल सकते हैं? In this sentence, a person is asking to other person that do you have an ability to speak English? And the third sentence is I cannot speak English. नहीं, मैं अंग्रेज़ी नहीं बोल सकता हूँ. In this sentence, a person is showing that he does not have ability to speak English. So remember, whenever you are going to use a modal verb can, it means you are going to show your ability to do any kind of work. You can do if you try. तुम कर सकते हो अगर कोशिश करो. Can we go to the party? क्या हम दावत में जा सकते हैं? Can I sit here? क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? Can you support me? क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can we live in this city? क्या हम इस शहर में रह सकते हैं? Can you take exercise? क्या तुम वर्जिश कर सकते हो? Can I show you my passport? क्या मैं आपको अपना पासपोर्ट दिखा सकता हूँ? Can Hassan take this flower? क्या हसन ये फूल ले सकता है? Essence, these all sentences are about permission, means to get permission. So when you are going to get permission from someone, you also can use can as to have permission from someone. So remember that it is used for permission as well as to show the ability or your competency. Okay, now some sentences are about ability. So let's have a look on these sentences in which you show your ability to do something. The first sentence is I can give you my book. मैं आपको अपनी किताब दे सकता हूँ. Now this is about having ability to do something. Now if you want to change it into negative sentence, you can write I cannot give you my book. मैं आपको अपनी किताब नहीं दे सकता हूँ. Here you are showing that you don't have ability to give your book to someone. The next sentence is they can come here. वो यहाँ आ सकते हैं. In this sentence we are showing ability of the some persons who can come. But if we want to change this sentence as a negative, we can say they cannot come here. वो यहाँ नहीं आ सकते हैं. So this is the way to make sentences about showing ability, or if you don't have ability to do something, then you can make the sentence as negative. Okay, the sentence is he can wake up early in the morning. Now in this sentence also a person is showing his ability to get up early in the morning. But if he says he cannot wake up early in the morning, वो सुबह सवेरे नहीं उठ सकता है, it means he is showing that he does not have ability to wake up early in the morning. Third sentence is my mother can cook biryani. मेरी वालदा बिरयानी पका सकती हैं. It is about mother's ability, that mother has ability to cook biryani. But if she does not have ability, then we can say my mother cannot cook biryani. मेरी वालदा बिरयानी नहीं पका सकती हैं. Now we are showing that my mother does not have ability to cook biryani. So students, it was all about the modal verb can, and I hope that you enjoyed it and found it useful. So keep on learning English with Indus English. Let's see in the next video. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye.